Pattaya has one reputation, and it's probably not the real one. If you think the city is only wild nights, loud streets, and bad decisions, then either that's exactly why you're coming, or you've never actually been here. Either way, keep watching, because this is the real Pattaya guide most people never give you. In this video, I'm breaking Pattaya down from the ground up. You'll learn how to get here cheaply, how to move around for almost nothing, where to stay and where not to, what areas fit your travel style, the best food, beaches, markets, and nightlife, and at the end, a perfect 3-day Pattaya plan. Everything is mapped out with no confusion and no tourist traps. Let's start where every trip begins. Most international travelers land in Bangkok, about 130 kilometers from Pattaya. After landing, you clear immigration, grab your bags, and then comes the important decision. Do not take a taxi. A taxi can cost 1,200 to 1,500 baht. Instead, go to level 1, gate 8, and take the airport bus to Pattaya. It costs around 170 to 200 baht and takes about 2 hours. The buses are air-conditioned, clean, and even have a toilet on board. One drops you near Jontian, another more centrally in Pattaya, and you can always ask the driver where to get off. If you're already in Bangkok, you have options. A taxi or Grab will cost around 1,500 baht. A bus from Ekamai Terminal is much cheaper at around 130 baht. There's also a morning train that's slow but scenic. Pattaya also has a smaller airport called Utapao about 40 kilometers away, but it only serves a few routes. Once you arrive, getting around Pattaya is surprisingly easy. There's no subway and no Skitran, but instead you get something better. The Baht Bus. This is one of the best things about Pattaya. Every ride costs 10 baht, no matter how far you go. There's no app, no bargaining, and no risk of being scammed. You just hop on, sit down, press the bell when you want to get off, and hand the driver 10 baht. That's it. Baht buses run 24/7 and cover almost the entire city, including Beach Road, Second Road, North Pattaya, South Pattaya, and Jontian. Once you understand this system, Pattaya becomes incredibly easy to navigate. Now let's break Pattaya into areas so you know where everything is. North Pattaya is quieter and more relaxed. This is where you'll find the fish market and the Sanctuary of Truth, along with better views and fewer crowds. Central Pattaya is where most tourists end up. This area has shopping malls, hotels, bars, Beach Road, and the famous walking street. It's busy, loud, and intense. Pratam Nek Hill sits between Central and South Pattaya and is known for viewpoints, temples, and more upscale living. Many people call it the Beverly Hills of Pattaya. South Pattaya and Jontian offer cleaner beaches, night markets, more locals, and a calmer vibe overall. So which area is right for you? North Pattaya is great for couples, families, and travelers who want peace and quiet. Central Pattaya is for night owls, party lovers, and people who want constant action. South Pattaya and Jontian offer the best balance with good food, cleaner water, and easy access to nightlife thanks to the Baht Bus. Pattaya welcomes more than 20 million visitors every year. The biggest groups of international tourists come from Russia, India, China, South Korea, and Vietnam. You'll also meet people from Europe, Australia, and the United States. Pattaya's rise began during the Vietnam War, when American soldiers vacationed here, and the city never really looked back. Let's be honest. Many visitors are single men, but you'll also see families, couples, long-stay expats, and a surprisingly large number of golfers thanks to the many courses in the area. When should you visit? From June to October is the rainy season. You'll see fewer tourists in cheaper hotels, but expect frequent rain. March to May is hot, but still affordable, and April brings Songkran, Thailand's New Year, which turns the city into a massive water fight. The best time to visit is from November to February, when the weather is cooler, rainfall is minimal, and festivals are everywhere. Try to avoid the Chinese New Year period unless you enjoy heavy crowds. Pattaya has tens of thousands of hotel rooms, from budget stays to luxury resorts. One important thing to remember is noise. The closer you stay to the nightlife, the louder it gets at night. If you plan to party until sunrise, stay central. If you want sleep, stay north or south and use the Baht Bus to get around. There's also more to do in Pattaya than just nightlife. During the day, you can visit the Sanctuary of Truth, explore the fish market, check out Mini Siam, hike to the city viewpoint, go go-karting, or take a ferry to Koh Larn Island for just 30 baht. You can visit elephant sanctuaries, water parks, and aquariums, or simply relax on the beach. Food in Pattaya is on another level. Seafood lovers should visit Mamarwa, the fish market where you choose your seafood and have it cooked fresh. Tree Town Night Market is perfect for variety and atmosphere. Pattaya Beer Garden is one of the city's hidden gems, sitting over the water with great Thai food. Jomtien is packed with local food markets that are worth the trip alone. Now let's talk about nightlife. Pattaya's nightlife is unlike anywhere else. The three main zones are Soi 6, which is fast, intense, and chaotic, LK Metro, which offers a mix of live music, bars, and clubs, and Walking Street, which is crowded, loud, and iconic. No explanations needed. If you know, you know. If you only have 3 days in Pattaya, here's a simple plan. On day 1, check into your hotel, head to the beach, rent a lounger, and enjoy food and drinks. In the evening, explore street food, walk down Soi 6, head along Beach Road, have dinner at the beer garden, and finish the night on Walking Street. On day 2, visit the Sanctuary of Truth in the morning, have lunch at the fish market or a nearby seafood restaurant, relax at the beach or hotel pool, then eat at Tree Town and enjoy nightlife around LK Metro. On day 3, take a morning trip to Koh Larn or hike up to the city sign and temple viewpoint. Spend the afternoon relaxing, then head to Jomtien for dinner before returning to your favorite nightlife spot for a final night. When it's time to leave Pattaya, you simply go the same way you came. iBus, taxi, or ride-hailing app. Easy, cheap, and stress-free. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more real travel content, and comment below where you're staying in Pattaya. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Real Pattaya.